A unique blend of history and modernity. 4820 Stewart Avenue in White Bear Lake, Minnesota, 55110. Welcome to 4820 Stewart Avenue, a truly one-of-a-kind home that seamlessly combines the historic charm of an old church with modern amenities and technology. Built in 1889, this residence has been completely rebuilt and lovingly restored with meticulous attention to detail. From state-of-the-art sound and lighting systems to luxury finishes and innovative design, this home is a haven for musicians, artists, and those seeking inspiration, entertainment, and rejuvenation. Located in White Bear Lake, Minnesota, this property offers the charm of a vibrant small town, proximity to country club golf courses, and easy access to the metro and airport. Additionally, residents can enjoy the pristine waters of White Bear Lake, just 3 blocks away. Let's explore the highlights of this stunning luxury home. Main level features. As you enter the main level, you'll be greeted by luxury finishes that reflect the fine balance of meticulous restoration and signature design. The main entry features a koi pool, providing tranquility and beauty. The meal preparation area boasts innovative design and luxury finishes, including Gaggenau appliances known for their exceptional quality. Custom German-built cabinetry by Light, concealed appliances, and soft close and lighted drawers add to the gourmet chef's delight. The zip faucet dispenses filtered chilled water, chilled carbonated water, and boiling water at your fingertips. The grand living area is designed to seamlessly blend entertainment within the heart of the home. Original Douglas firwood flooring dating back to 1889 has been refinished to display its original color. Stained glass windows, salvaged from a decommissioned church in North Minneapolis and restored by Gay T. Palmer's Stained Glass Studio, add a touch of artistic elegance. The wood ceiling, custom designed to highlight the intricate angles of the vaulted ceiling, and antique lighting fixtures from Architectural Antiques create a unique ambience. The entertainment area features a raised performance stage, professionally wired for lighting effects and sound, and equipped with a clustering control system. An Allen church organ, Gothic design panels, and a rosette stained glass window further enhance the old-world sophistication of this space. Primary bedroom suite. The primary bedroom suite is elevated to capture the view of the majestic structural and interior design. Custom closets and vanity cabinets provide ample storage space. The custom-built modern industrial-style staircase and walnut-wood stair treads add a touch of contemporary elegance. The ensuite bathroom features an electronically controlled shower with a rain head and hand wand, offering precise temperature control. Additionally, an ensuite laundry adds convenience to this luxurious retreat. Garage and exterior. The front of the property features a mid-century stone facade and bell tower, adding to its unique character. The north and south side foundations have been excavated and waterproofed, and new siding and a roof have been installed. The double corner lot is fully fenced and gated, ensuring privacy and security. The recently added 3-car garage is equipped with hot and cold water and an electric vehicle charging station. This insulated and heated space also houses the spa mechanics. A solar photovoltaic system connected to the grid significantly reduces utility costs. Professionally designed and installed custom landscaping, including a bio pond with a water feature and an eco-sustainable freshwater basin, adds to the beauty of the exterior. A custom-designed saltwater in-ground spa with a year-round cover and concrete surround, along with Pentair Wi-Fi controls, completes the outdoor oasis. Mechanical systems. All mechanical systems in the property have been updated in 2020/2021. This includes 3 HVAC units with heat pumps for zone coverage, a hot water heater, all new electrical wiring, low voltage control, audio, and Ethernet. The plumbing throughout the entire property has been replaced, and the property is pre-wired for a full camera system. Conclusion. 4820 Stewart Avenue in White Bear Lake, Minnesota, offers a unique blend of historic charm and modern luxury. From the meticulously restored interiors to the state-of-the-art sound and lighting systems, this home caters to those seeking a lifestyle of inspiration, entertainment, and rejuvenation. With its desirable location, proximity to White Bear Lake, and easy access to amenities, this property is truly a gem. Experience the perfect balance of old-world sophistication and contemporary design in this exceptional residence. Currently listed for sale at $3,450,000.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.